At Voyage Employer Services, we know that managing your workforce shouldn't be a headache. Whether you're building a team, dealing with compliance challenges, or streamlining payroll, we make the process easy, seamless, and stress-free. Our tailored workforce solutions helps businesses like yours operate smoothly, stay compliant, and focus on what really matters: growth and success. Let me walk you through how it works. Step 1. Select your service plan. Choose the service plan that fits your business needs. Whether you're looking for minimal staffing, outsourced HR support, or full-scale on-site management, our Plus, Pro, and Premium plans are designated to align with your goals. Step 2. Customize your payment terms. Pick the payment terms that best fits your cash flow. Flexibility is at the heart of what we do. Step 3. Share your staffing details. Provide the specifics of your staffing needs, job roles, schedules, and expectations, and let us handle the rest. Step 4. Conduct an on-site walkthrough. We'll schedule an on-site walkthrough to better understand your business operations, assess workplace conditions, and ensure that all insurance and compliance details are covered. This personalized approach helps us tailor solutions that fit your unique needs. Step 5. Receive your certificate of insurance. Once we've conducted the walkthrough, you'll receive your certificate of insurance, guaranteeing full compliance and coverage before operation begins. Step 6. Place your first job order. Go ahead and place your first job order seamlessly through our platform or directly with your account manager. Sit back while we find your perfect candidate for you. Step 7. Meet your pre-screen qualified employee who are ready to hit the ground running from day one. Step 8. Submit the employee's hours quickly and accurately through our streamlined reporting system. Step 9. The employee gets paid. We take care of payroll with precision, ensuring your employees are paid promptly and correctly. And finally, Step 10. HR and safety support on demand. Need help with your HR compliance or workplace safety? Our expert team is just a phone call away, ready to address any of your concerns. At Voyage, we perfected our employment services to make it effortless and effective. Are you ready to simplify your workforce management?